Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Part 2 of this. Add a little bling to it. If you didn't watch the first one, you're going to need to watch the first one. So we have this shape, and I got it off the page. And I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour to the outside, 0.15. Now I'm going to go to Object, Break Contour Part, and then just grab one of them. This is our bigger one. So we want to make it yellow, and we want to take away the outline. This is the smaller one, so we want to make it red and take away the outline. Now, take this one, and remember I've nudged the whole time. Go to Object, Order, Back a Page, and then that way when I move it over, the yellow will be behind the red, and you won't be able to see it. Well, you can see it, but and then let's put a black background on it, and it really, well, because I put the yellow on the back of the background, now I have to take the black, go Object, Order, Back a Page, and now I can see the yellow. Pretty cool. I'm almost thinking I could do it 2-time contour and see what would happen. I don't know if there's enough room, because when you get into some place, it looks like there might be enough room. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.